Ooh, this is the side of the fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
What, open up both of them?
Yeah.
Try the macaroni and cheese. I'm excited. Yeah, the meat doesn't fall off the bone, but you can suck it up. Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, there's one Jamaican who told me that Jamaican food tastes differently depending on the places that you're eating Jamaican food.
Same for the oxtails. They just melt in your mouth as soon as you bite it. Look, see on my show. Boom.
From Jamaica to Kenya, there is a vibe going on. The vibe is real. It's the vibe you can feel. Welcome to the real Marcos, you too, Jado. This is the real Marcos. Welcome to the real Marcos, you too, Jado.
Can trying Jamaican food for the first time. Yes, of course, majority loved Jamaican food. Others had different opinions. I saw one YouTuber saying that they hate Jamaican food. There is nothing like hate. Hate is a strong word. They did hate Jamaican food. They had a divergent opinion because, they were testing variety and giving points. Kalalu, it's 8. Jack chicken, 9.5. Oxtail, 10 over 10. That is not hate. That is having a divergent opinions, ladies and gentlemen. Either way, this is my second channel. Please subscribe to my second channel. Why do I have a second channel? Because it's just like a car. When you drive a car, you have your own spare wheel, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with having a second YouTube channel. So guys, please subscribe and share this far and wide. See you on the other side.
We got oxtail. We got jerk ribs. They were out of the
Jamaican food.
at Angie's Jamaican Grill in Durham, North Carolina. We got oxtail. We got jerk ribs. They were out of the Rasta pasta though, unfortunately, but that's okay.
First time trying oxtails other than on that pizza in New York.
Look at these jerk barbecue ribs. These plates are heavy as shit. Hold on now, bro.
I taste flavorful meat with fat on it.
Y'all even want me to review it for y'all? Y'all see the damn... Yeah, the meat doesn't fall off the bone, but you can suck it up. Yeah!
Same for the oxtails. They just melt in your mouth as soon as you bite it. Look, see on my show. Boom.
Just off the meat alone, Jazz, I think you should book us a flight to damn Jamaica.
Yeah, book us a flight.
10 out of 10, slight spice too.
I'm gonna give it a 10 as well.
Sweet yams, and don't say Cam, you should have got cabbage. I don't like cabbage, and I'm not gonna act like it for y'all.
I got collards and sometimes I don't like them.
Oh my God. I love a damn yam. It's like an infestation of brown sugar on these. I love that. I'm brown sugar. That's Jazz.
Whatever.
All right.
I'm used to my collards being real wet. These are really salty too.
That's that damn Jamaican culture's up on it, Jazz.
I'm not knocking it, it's just not for me. 6.5.
10 out of 10. Sweet yams.
Fried plantains.
Jamaican beef patty. Like a little damn beef calzone, bro.
These are sweet, crunchy, got a little char to them.
The only flavor from this is coming from the golden flaky crust. The beef, I'm not a big fan of. The optics of the beef is just scaring the hell out of me. I'm not gonna hold y'all.
I love bananas. I'm gonna give it an 8.5.
4.
Baked mac and cheese. Y'all look at that. Yeah.
Yellow rice, cause like I said, once again, I want them damn cabbages.
Yeah. Cheesy, baked, well seasoned. Mac and cheese so good, it tastes like it's straight from Jamaica. I need the recipe. 10 out of 10.
The rice is straight, but what takes it to that next level is that damn jerk sauce seeping over from the ribs onto the rice. Damn. 7. Oh, eat some of that. Food is really good. I will be back, so give us more suggestions. We would have got more food, but it was already $69 for this. Damn, my pockets ain't that steep. That's Jazz money.
Yeah, but we're gonna be full tonight. First time.
Ooh, this is the side of the fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
What, open up both of them?
Yeah.
Try the macaroni and cheese. I'm excited.
Now the oxtail. It's the oxtail.
God damn. Bro, what you get?
I got curry and jerk.
You got the macaroni? That shit is crazy. It's crazy, bro. That macaroni, I don't even know. I don't know. The oxtail, bro.
Butterman Rasta.
I would try
Kool-Aid.
of 10 above. Make sure y'all come check out Tasman.
So today, y'all, we're going to be trying Jamaican food. This is my first time ever having Jamaican food in Monroe, Louisiana. We just got a new restaurant called Jamaican Cruising, or Cuisine, however you pronounce it. But we just got a Jamaican spot down here, and y'all know I had to try it. You know, but y'all, look, I got curry chicken over rice and peas. So we're gonna try. It smells good though. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it smells good. Yeah, you know. So let me see. Some rice. I'm hot. This shit good as fuck, y'all. I swear to God. This shit good as a bitch. It's just hot. Y'all, go try this. Jamaican Cruising. It's right here at Pecan and Mom. Y'all, on the corner. This shit so motherfucking good. Try it. 10 out of 10.
Hey, on the menu today we got Jerk That. This is supposed to be some of the best Jamaican food in all of Las Vegas. We got that stewed chicken plate over rice and peas and a side of cabbage. And then we also got this jerk chicken plate over a bed of rice and peas with a side of collard greens. Wonderful looking jerk chicken first. The bone just comes right out. Oh my God. That is super tender. And this jerk sauce, packed with flavor. Soaked up all that gravy from the jerk chicken. Fire. Tender, steaming hot rice and peas covered in that amazing jerk sauce. Need some of these collard greens next. Collard greens are nice and seasoned. They look like they have some onions and peppers in them. And texturally, they're still a little firm. I like my collard greens with a little bite. I hate mushy, soggy collard greens. Next up, we got this curry chicken plate. This is my first time ever having curry chicken. I don't really know how to describe the flavor of the curry chicken, but I think I like it better than the jerk chicken. I got cabbage with this plate. The cabbage is really buttery and it has corn and carrots mixed in. I've never seen that, but I like it. Overall, Jerk That, must try.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It's giving Jamaican restaurant. I'm very excited about this. I hope it's as good as it looks online. I see a lot of people talking about, oh shit, what's that, mom? Chicken? Oh, she got the pizza open, y'all. I think we're in good hands. Let's go. And it smells good too. So like this high. Hello, hi. You know it's good when they got the open kitchen, y'all. The open kitchen, they like, come on in, man. This is what we cooking. Let me sit down. She about to bring me the menu now. So this is everything they got. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I think I'm gonna get everything on the menu. I'm gonna try the jerk and go, Miss Patty wing. Give me everything. Everything. Jerk and go, Miss Patty, wing and get, purple, what the fuck? Everything. So I got everything on the menu. I'm excited about it. I love it. This Jamaican beef patty. Try this beef patty. It's hot. Smell good. Let's try it. That is good. That's really good. And it's spicy. Hold on. Y'all know what y'all doing back there. I like mine. Try this purple. What the fuck? That's exactly what it's called. That's good. They smell good. Lord have mercy. They gave me gloves. Ooh. Yes. Hell yeah. I like mine. It tastes like a spicy barbecue. Rice and peas with the Jamaican jerk chicken. Ooh. Yes, Lord. Also have plantain as well. God damn it. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. They got the jerk chicken right. It's good.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's one Jamaican who told me that Jamaican food tastes differently depending on the places that you're eating Jamaican food. Jamaican food in Jamaica tastes differently than Jamaican food in the USA. Jamaican food in Africa tastes differently than Jamaican food in USA and Jamaican food in Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how true that statement is because I'm not a Jamaican. I cannot tell the difference. But the last time that I ate or I feed on Jamaican food, that was the best meal that I have ever tasted. Ladies and gentlemen, and one thing that I have come to understand about Jamaicans, they love cooking. Cooking is part of them. Cooking is part of Jamaican culture. You cannot be a Jamaican and you don't know how to cook. Cooking is mandatory skill among Jamaicans. Cooking is a must skill, is a must learn skill among Jamaican people. You must, as a true Jamaican, if you're Jamaican, you must know how to cook. You cannot say you are Jamaican and you do not know how to cook. That is inevitable. It doesn't, that one is, it's not possible. Jamaicans will deny you. They say, no, you can't say you're Jamaican and you don't know how to prepare food. Food is very, very sacred among Jamaicans. That's why they take time when they are preparing their food. If there's something that can annoy Jamaicans, if you mess around with their food, ladies and gentlemen, they want to, because it's their signature. Jamaican food is their signature. Jamaican food is what you know who Jamaicans are. You will know who Jamaicans are because of their food, ladies and gentlemen. So they try very hard to make their food special, to make their food nice and green and everything else, ladies and gentlemen. Now, also depends with the seasonings or the ingredients, because in Jamaica, probably they use natural herbs, natural, organic. So the food will taste differently. When you use not natural herbs to cook or even prepare Jamaican food, of course the taste will be different than the one who has used organic food, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, there is no better food than the food at home. Yeah, some people call it soul food, ladies and gentlemen. It's the same thing even here in Kenya. Kenyan food in Kenya tastes differently than Kenyan food in the USA, unless you have prepared using seasonings from Kenya, using natural herbs from Kenya. It's the same thing even with Jamaica, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. That is it. I love all these reactions, all of them. Majority of them, of course, it was positive reactions, and of course people are differently, okay. Reactions vary differently according to different people. Yeah. Yes, ladies and gentlemen,